The increasing awareness of poultry meat consumption benefits and the growing favoritism of lean meat is adding the poultry meat potential in the country. Poultry meat has always challenged the other meat industries in terms of finance, quantity, and iterations for being the most affordable delicacy. Matching this potential, many poultry enthusiasts are building their business models on and around broiler farming. Operating and taking advantage of broiler farming future, there are giants to small farmers who have encountered nothing else but success. The explained brightness in poultry broiler business might be darkened with the challenges that today exist in our country. Old backyard techniques. Majority of farmers still exist in the conventional backyard techniques for many unexplained reasons. Their inability to convince themselves for the most advanced technology available today, even after evidence, is a result of the fear they have been surrounded with for shifting to a new kind of equipment. The fallacy they maintain that finance, which is involved, is many folds higher than a conventional system is another reason which pulls back a farmer to shift to this new advantage. Challenging this orthodox belief of farmers, we at Chakra can answer and show you the correct route to an effortless and profitable broiler poultry business. The misconceptions in broiler farming will be explained to all innocent farmers, opening their knowledge and encouraging their interest in this field. Spotting the benefits of side action nipples for poultry, Chakra has manufactured its first side action nipple in 2007 following the same benefits of high quality and good price. Being the first Indian nipple manufacturing company, Chakra is committed for the availability of international standard nipples to all. In 2008, the CL08 or the broiler nipple was developed considering the advantages it can deliver to the broiler market. The side action nipple or the 360-degree nipple with high delivery of water for the broiler birds is suitable for the consumption of a broiler bird from the chick stage to the adult bird stage. Considering the other features the nipple watering system can offer to the broiler bird, Chakra floor watering system serves water to the birds in appropriate quantity and temperature for the birds to enjoy water. Observing the behavior of the bird and their water drinking habits, Chakra has deduced and designed the CL08 nipple for every 8 birds so that each bird is given the same attention for water consumption. Also considering the parameters and mindset involved in a broiler farmer's calculations, Chakra has prepared the whole floor watering system with the suspension system to make it easy for a farmer to use it. Including the easy installation of the system and the long-enduring service of the system due to the high quality of material used, the Chakra floor watering system is a perfect solution for a broiler farmer to use without any hassle. Disadvantages of a bell drinker versus the advantages of a nipple drinker and drip cup. As discussed, bell drinkers were a good and only choice when poultry nipples were not existent. Their disadvantages were and are the same, but there are methods available today to overcome their drawbacks. Disadvantages: 1. Everyday wash. Everyone knows that water when in contact with light allows fungus to develop on the surface. This element, when permitted to be consumed by chicken, might or is not a good symptom. This particle needs to be washed away on appearance, which is just ours. So, everyday cleaning or even twice a day cleaning is the biggest ever challenge in broiler farm. Advantage of a nipple and drip cup. No water is stagnant at a place, which gives no scope of the fungus formation. No cleaning is required to a nipple, which makes it very less labor work for a farmer. 2. Water spillage. Broiler chicks or growers are notorious than the lazy short-legged adult birds. The jumping and playful actions of a broiler chick will spill water from the drinkers, causing a mess to the farmer. This generates worms in the husk floor, which needs to be acted upon immediately. Also, considering an adult bird, the heavy push to a bell drinker on any instance leads to the same situation of water spillage and the trouble involved thereafter. Advantage of a nipple and drip cup. The Chakra CL08 nipple is a side action nipple, making itself a toy for the bird. The drip cup collects any over dispensed drops, again returning the water to the next bird. Playing with the nipple, consuming more water, and also arresting spillage is the fun in the game of chicken farming. 3. Dust in the drinkers. A farm floor is often covered with husk to arrange the minimum comfort for a broiler bird. This husk, or biologically soft material, is light enough to be lifted with the minimum wing flap of the bird. This, when falls in the bell drinker, is not a good source of water for the bird. Enough bacteria and germs are existent on the husk, which is best kept away. Advantage of a nipple and drip cup. Water as fresh and clean in the tank reaches the bird without any contamination. Every bird enjoys the pure water which we intend to give them. Just like us, a bird also enjoys the quench with fresh water. 4. Flush out challenge. Summers in our country are harsh. We should be grateful for the society changes for less pollution and low global warming signs, but still summers are tedious yet in most of the locations. This summer is a challenge to farmers as the water is heated in the reservoir or tanks. This water has to be flushed out several times in a farm, else the bird rather starves over consuming the hot water. How do you flush a bell drinker system? Flush the water in the pipe and then spill away the water in the drinker. Yes, that's correct, but spilling away water out of the shed without spilling any in this process is a little challenge. Advantage of a nipple and drip cup. Flushing out the hot water from a nipple system is an easy task. Allow extra water, and the hot water is pushed out, remaining the normal water in the pipes. There is no effort smaller than this to a farmer in summers. 5. Temperature. Heating a small quantity of water is easy compared to heating a large quantity of water. Bell drinkers are smaller than the tank in the shed. Summers can heat the water in a bell drinker in a lesser time compared to heating up the large tank. So again, the flushing has to be often, allowing the nipples to be flushed out easily than a bell drinker. Advantages of a bell drinker. There is mentionably one advantage of a bell drinker. They are comparatively cheap than any other water facility to a broiler bird. On a logical sense, more advantages are towards a nipple drinker. Chakra's role in nipple watering system for broiler houses. A broiler farmer's pleasantness and happiness in farming is what Chakra works towards, allowing a number of advantages involved with our floor watering system. To start with, 1. In-house products. To govern the quality of our products, we involve in-house production of most of our products. Choosing first-class raw material and virgin plastics for the end product, the floor watering system has been made to help the customer use our product for an extensively long period. 2. Premium level. Not considering the size and capacity of a poultry farmer, Chakra makes sure that every customer gets the premium level of product. No farmer is turned away or offered anything less, which compromises on the advantages our products promise to deliver. Heavy galvanized GI pipes, chamfered and swagged for a perfect union. Virgin quality PVC pipe, specific nipple for broiler birds, and an easy-to-fix and cleanable drip cup. Special regulator for water regulations in the pipe, PVC coated, and stainless steel wire ropes, and the high quality of involved fixtures are example of our products, elaborating the premium level of material. 3. Bird or farmer. Who is first at Chakra? Is it a bird or a farmer? This hypothetical question is simply answered with one frank answer: the bird. The bird is the first choice of care at Chakra, and then the farmer. Just like the saying, whatever goes around, comes around, whatever best we can give to a bird, comes back as the best in other forms to us. So let's give more attention to the bird, and the farmer's happiness is automatic. 4. Work quality and neatness. A best quality material is useless unless it is installed properly. To remain our product in a customer's service and gain their trust, we make sure that the installation and work is done by our trained experts. No room is given to reasons for a work not executed properly. 5. Economy. There should be a balance between financial load on a farmer and the premium product he needs to hold a customer. Chakra is a good balancer of both, matching the economy of the farmer yet delivering a premium product. Just as mentioned, our in-house manufacturing aids us achieve this feat. 6. Capacity and supply capabilities. Supply and demand are perpetually equal at Chakra. Our latest machinery and inventory management skills are our calculations, which match the demand to the supply, allowing no scope of complaints in supply. 7. Water consumption and FCR. FCR, short named for feed conversion ratio to weight of bird, is a very important term in broiler farming. More the water consumption of a bird, more is it healthy, resulting in good weight gain for the feed it consumed. Chakra CL08 or the Mighty Drinker nipple is a special nipple designed and made for the broiler birds with 80 milliliters per minute delivery, enabling the bird to consume more water and thereafter result in high FCR. 8. Chick friendly. A broiler chick always explores the new premises. The Chakra CL08 nipple is the first to be discovered with its red, attractive color. The chick play with the nipple starts here. The nipple is chick-friendly designed that the chicks play with the nipple henceforth and correspondingly consume water in return. 9. Drip cup. The Chakra CL08 nipple is a nipple which has to be used from the chicks to the adult birds. Due to the higher water delivery of the Chakra CL08 nipple, the chicks might not be able to consume that entire dispensed water like an adult bird can. This is where a drip cup comes to help, collecting the extra droplets. The next approaching bird consumes this water, while the water is saved, offering you zero wastage or spillage, and also the floor is kept dry. 10. Easy clean drip cup. Chakra designed the drip cup in a way that the cup is cleanable in a single swipe, protecting the effort of multiple operations. The saucer-shaped cup is both advantageous for the collected water to be seen and picked by the bird, and also cleanable easily by the farmer. 11. Super reduced labor. We have in our records of farmers who could handle more than one broiler houses without any helpers installing our floor watering system. Labor or effort to maintain a Chakra floor watering system is negligible with its zero maintenance properties. 12. Evacuating poultry houses. Adding to the advantage of the product, the nipple watering system can be stacked to the maximum height for emptying the chicken from the farm. A little less pronounced, but this is a hassle-less task for many for even cleaning their houses for the next batch of burns. 13. Our experience is equal to your advantage. Over folds and leaps of study and research, Chakra's experience and expertise is at your call for the advantage. We are ready to share our knowledge just for your advantage and witness your enjoyment in the farmer's career. 14. Fit and forget. We only expect a farmer to return to us only for his next project or expansion, but never for spares or material trouble. We operate the fit and forget way, allowing all our farmers to concentrate on their returns rather than expecting troubles. Recommended products. Operating and taking advantage of broiler farming future, there are giants to small farmers who have encountered nothing else but success. The explained brightness in poultry broiler business might be darkened with the challenges.
ड्रिंकर्स लगाए तो मेन प्रॉब्लम वहाँ पे क्या है, लेबर। ड्रिंकर जब आप लगाओगे डेली 2 टाइम्स आपको क्लीन करना पड़ेगा, एक दिन सुबह एक दिन शाम में। इसके लिए लेबर कॉस्ट भी बढ़ेगा मेरा। अगर मैं वही निपल सिस्टम में लगाया हूँ तो वीकली वंस मुझे क्लीनिंग में जाएगा, उसके लिए कुछ बड़ा प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। वो केमिकल होता है जो मिला देने से टैंक में पानी आएगा, पूरा स्टार्ट से लेके एंड तक जितना भी रहेगा स्टैंडर्ड प्रेशर से वो क्लीन हो जाएगा। इसमें ना ही लेबर का कुछ मेहनत लगेगा, ना ही लेबर से कुछ प्रॉब्लम है। चलो ये नहीं कि लेबर है, लेबर ही काम कर रहा है, ऐसा भी ज़रूरत नहीं है। इट इज़ नॉट दैट, ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं कम्प्लीटली लेबर पर डिपेंडेंट हूँ। मैं मेरे तरफ से भी देख लेता हूँ। मैं वीकली ट्वाइस या 4 टाइम या 5 बार जाता हूँ। मैक्सिमम टाइम जो है सो लेबर भी देखता है, बट बिकॉज मेरा निपल सिस्टम है वहाँ पे ज़्यादा सर दर्द नहीं है, जिसके वजह से मुझे ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। बिकॉज और ड्रिंकर्स में तो आपको शायद पता ही होगा, उसमें हैंगिंग होता है, बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है। बर्ड्स जब हवा में उड़ते हैं उसमें कचरा गिरता है, जिससे बर्ड्स को भी कुछ ना कुछ ई कोली ऐसा डिजीज़ आते हैं। बट निपल सिस्टम में ऐसा नहीं होता है। वाटर कहीं पे भी स्टैगनेंट, जैसा अपन को ड्रिंकर में वाटर स्टैगनेंट रहता है, ऐसा अपन को इसमें नहीं रहता है। निपल सिस्टम में वाटर 24 आवर्स चेंज होता रहता है एंड दैट इज़ अ बेटर सिस्टम। वो जो है सो ड्रिंकर से कंपेयर करने से बहुत ही अच्छा है, आसान है। मटेरियल को मैं जो है सो 100% आई स्टिल रिकमेंड टू गो विथ निपल सिस्टम। एंड मटेरियल बहुत अच्छा था, जो क्वालिटी था मटेरियल का, जो उन्होंने मार्केट में रिसर्च करके मटेरियल बनाया था वो परफेक्टली अच्छे तरीके से आया था।
ಡ್ರಿಂಕರ್ ಇದು ಲೇಬರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಗಲೀಜು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಡ್ರಿಂಕರ್। ಡಿಸಿಷನು ಕಡಿಮೆ, ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಜಿ, ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ। ಅನ್ಸೈಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮರಿಯಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸೈಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ। 50% ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟು ಭಾಳ ಈಜಿ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟು। ಚಕ್ರದಾಗ ಸಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ ನೀರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ, ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲದಂಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೈತೆ ವಾಟ್ರದ್ದು ಇದು। ಹಾಂ, ಮೇನ್ ವಾಟ್ರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ, ಡ್ರಿಂಕರ್ಸ್ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಡ್ರಿಂಕರ್ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ। ಹಾಂ, FCR ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ, ಕೋಳಿ ಅನ್ಸೈಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ। ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕೋಳಿಯಾಗ ಇದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ, ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1
ಸರ್। ನಾವು ಮೊದಲು ಡ್ರಿಂಕರ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ। ಡ್ರಿಂಕರ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟು ಅದು ನೀರು ಚೆಲ್ಲೋದು, ಗಲೀಜು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ಹುಳ ನೊಣ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ। ನಾವು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು, ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಚಕ್ರ ನಿಪ್ಪಲ್ ಹಾಕು, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ನೀರು ಬರ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದಾವೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿನೂ ಐತೆ ನಿಪ್ಪಲ್ಲು, ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ಇರೋಲ್ಲ, ನೀರು ಚೆಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ನೀನು ದಿನ ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸೂ ಕಮ್ಮಿ, ಭಾಳ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ 50% ಅಂತ ಹೋಗಿ ಹೈದ್ರಾಬಾದಿ ಚಕ್ರ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಂದು ಚಕ್ರ ನಾವು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಹಾಕ್ಸಿದ್ವಿ, ಚಕ್ರ ನಿಪ್ಪಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ। ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಫೋರ್ಸಾಗಿ ನೀರು ಬರ್ತೈತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾವೆ, ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಐತೆ, ಯಾವುದೂ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ। ಯಾವ ಪೈಪು, ನಿಪ್ಪಲ್ಲು, ಕ್ಲಿಪ್ಪು ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾವೆ। ನಾವು ಇದು ಹಾಕಿದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ 1.75 FCR బర్తాయితే ಮತ್ತು మటలిటీనూ ಇಲ್ಲ, మటలిటీ 0 అయితే।
మనమే వేస్తే పోలేదా, ఎందుకు వాళ్ళని వీళ్ళని అడిగి టైం వేస్ట్ చేసుకోవడం చెప్పని ఒక బ్యాచ్ మీ చక్రాదే నేను ఒక షెడ్లో ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసి ఒక బ్యాచ్ చూశాను। ఒక బ్యాచ్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఆ బ్యాచ్ నాకు చాలా చక్కగా వచ్చింది। అది యాక్చువల్గా అది అక్టోబర్ నవంబర్ మాసాలలో, అది వింటర్ సీజన్ కాబట్టి బాగా వచ్చిందేమో అనుకున్నాను। దాని తర్వాత వెంటనే నేను సమ్మర్ బ్యాచ్ కూడా వేయడం జరిగింది మార్చిలో। ఆ బ్యాచ్లో కూడా ఎటువంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ లేకుండా చక్కగా 2.7 2.8 అమ్మడం జరిగింది. అప్పుడు నాకు ఈ నెపల్ సిస్టమ్ మీద, ఈ గ్రౌండ్ వాటరింగ్ సిస్టమ్ మీద నాకు ఒక గట్టి నమ్మకం అనేది ఏదైతే వచ్చిందో, ఏదైతే డౌట్ ఉందో క్లియర్ అయిపోయింది. క్లియర్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఏ సీజన్ అనేది ఏం లేకుండా ప్రతి సీజన్లో బెస్ట్గా బర్డ్ పర్ఫామ్ చేయాలంటే అది డిసీజ్ కంటామినేషన్ తక్కువ ఉండడం కావచ్చు, లేకపోతే ప్యూర్ వాటర్ మన ట్యాంకులో ఎంత చక్కగా ఉంటాయో నీళ్ళు అంత చక్కగా కోడి నోట్లో దాకా వెళ్ళడం ఆ రూపంలో కావచ్చు, ఏ విధంగానైనా కూడా మనకి మెడికేషన్ రూపంలో ఖర్చు తగ్గించుకోవడం పరంగా అయితేంది, బ్యాచెస్ అంతా యూనిఫామ్ సైజ్ ఉండడం మూలాన అయితేంది, అన్ని విధాలుగా సమ్మర్ బ్యాచ్లో కూడా నాకు మంచి బెస్ట్ పెర్ఫార్మెన్స్ ఇవ్వడంతో నాకు ఒక నమ్మకం వచ్చేసిన తర్వాత నేను మిగతా 8 షెడ్లకు కూడా వేయడం జరిగింది. ఇంకొక ముఖ్యమైన అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఏంటండి అంటే ఈ గ్రౌండ్ వాటరింగ్ సిస్టమ్ అంటే ఈ నెపల్ సిస్టమ్ ద్వారా మామూలుగా మనకి పాత పద్ధతిలో మనం డ్రింకర్ సిస్టంలో కోళ్ళకి నీళ్ళు ఇవ్వడం మూలాన కోళ్ళు ఒక స్టేజ్కి వచ్చిన తర్వాత 1.5 కిలోల ఆ స్టేజ్కి వచ్చిన తర్వాత కోడి ఆ డ్రింకర్కి తగిలినప్పుడు చేసినప్పుడు ఆ డ్రింకర్లో నీళ్ళు తొనికి కింద పోవడం మూలాన కూడా లిటర్ కండిషన్ అనేది బాగా వెట్ అవ్వడము, పచ్చి అవ్వడము, ఆ లిటర్ని మనం రెగ్యులర్గా ప్రాపర్గా దున్నలేకపోవడము, తీసి బయట ఎత్తిపోసినా కూడా ఆ పచ్చి అనేది, ఆ వెట్నెస్ అనేది అంత ఈజీగా పోయేది కాదు. ఆ బ్యాక్టీరియా డెవలప్ అవ్వడము, అమోనియా ఫామ్ అవ్వడము, ఇవన్నిటి మూలంగా ఈ డ్రింకర్ సిస్టమ్ మీద పోల్చుకుంటే ఈ నెప్పల్ సిస్టంలో మనకి ఈ ఈ ఉనక ఏదైతే లిటర్ కండిషన్ ఏదో మంచి డ్రై కండిషన్ ఉంటుందండి. ఒకవేళ మనం ఏదైనా క్లియర్గా దున్నుకోవడానికి కానివ్వండి, ఏదైనా అమోనియా గ్యాస్ ఫామ్ అవ్వకుండా జాగ్రత్తగా ఫామ్లో మంచి అట్మాస్ఫియర్ మెయింటైన్ చేయడానికి చాలా డ్రింకర్ సిస్టమ్ మీద పోల్చుకుంటే మాత్రం నెప్పల్ సిస్టమ్ అసలు 100% తేడా అండి. ఒకసారి అనుభవిస్తే తప్ప, ఒకసారి దాని ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అయితే తప్ప దాన్ని ఎంజాయ్ చేయలేము.